Health, safety and welfare in construction. Know about access equipment and working at heights. The legislation relating to working at heights is called the Working at Height Regulations 2005. The regulations apply to all work at height where there is a risk of a fall liable to cause personal injury. This legislation places a legal duty on everyone for the welfare of employers, employees, and managers. There is a simple hierarchy for managing and selecting equipment for work at height. Duty holders must avoid work at height where they can. Use work equipment or other measures to prevent falls where they cannot avoid working at height, and where they cannot eliminate the risk of a fall. Use work equipment or other measures to minimize the distance and consequences of a fall should one occur. Working at height. The statistics. Falls are the biggest cause of workplace fatalities. 29 fatal incidents in 2021/22. Cause of 35,280 major injuries 2021/22. Over 2/3 of all major injuries are caused by low falls, i.e. below 2 meters. Where work has to be carried out at height, then the duty holder shall take suitable and sufficient measures to prevent, so far as is reasonably practicable, any person falling a distance liable to cause personal injury. Remember that injury can occur from a fall of any height, not just from above 2 meters. Types of access equipment. Trestles, mobile towers, ladders, steps, hop-ups, tubular scaffold, scissor lift, cherry picker, ladders. Every year an average of 14 people die and a further 1,200 are seriously injured at work as a result of falling from a leaning ladder or stepladder. Some of these accidents will be a result of bad planning or use of the wrong piece of equipment for the job. Some reasons people fall from leaning ladders and stepladders are: the leaning ladder slipping either at the top or bottom, the leaning ladder flipping over or coming away at the top, overstretching, a fault with the ladder, slipping or losing your footing, stepladder wobbles due to missing feet or not being correctly open, stepladder being used side-on to the work task. Ladders. Positioning a leaning ladder safely, ladder showing correct 1-in-4 angle, securing omitted for clarity. Positioning a leaning ladder with a back slope, ladder showing maximum angle at 6 degrees on a back slope. Positioning a leaning ladder with a side slope, ladder showing maximum angle at 16 degrees on a side slope. Ladder tied at top styles, correct for working on, not for access. The correct use of ladders. Incorrect, overreaching and not maintaining 3 points of contact. Correct, user maintaining 3 points of contact. Incorrect, steps side-on to work activity. Correct, steps facing work activity. A ladder should lean at an angle of 75 degrees, i.e. 1 unit out for every 4 units up. Trestles/hop-ups. Trestle scaffold should always be erected on firm, level ground and with a minimum working platform width of 450 mm. Lockable steel hinges and anti-slip feet. Ideal for low-level access, painting, plastering. Premium quality steel mobile steps for easy step-up access in the workplace. Mobile tower. HSE key messages are that you must be competent in erection and dismantling of mobile scaffolds. You must always read and follow the manufacturer's instruction manual and on no account attempt use the equipment beyond its limitations. Mobile tower. Commonly referred to as mobile access towers or mobile scaffold towers, these structures are manufactured from prefabricated components where the principal structural materials are aluminium alloys or fiberglass. Wheels or feet of the tower must be in contact with a firm surface. Outriggers should be deployed as specified by the manufacturer. Mobile access towers are covered by PASMA. Mobile elevating work platforms, MUPS. Mobile elevating work platforms can provide a safe way of working at height. They allow the worker to reach the task quickly and easily. Have guardrails and toe boards which prevent a person falling. Can be used indoors or out. MUPs include cherry pickers, scissor lifts and vehicle-mounted booms. The end. Slides provided by City and Guilds.